My dear student, welcome to all in this live class. Now, today you will learn about the chapter 3 because you have also completed chapter 1 and chapter 2. In the chapter 2, you have also learned about the latitudes, longitudes and how can you measure time of the worlds. Now, I shall discuss about the motion of the earth. What do you know about the motion? Motion means earth rotate and revolve around the sun or on the axis. That means anything moves from the one place to another place, then that is also known as the motion. But earth, motion of the earth rotate on the axis from the west to east direction, it is also known as the rotation. Suppose that I am a earth and I also moves on the axis, that means from the west to east directions, I am also moving. These types of the movement around on the axis known as the rotation. But when the earth revolved around the sun, suppose that here is also sun and that sun and earth also moves on the axis rotate and towards the sun also known as the revolutions. So, we will learn in this chapter about the rotation and the revolution and which types of the effect by the rotation and the revolutions we will learn in this chapter. Now, we will also see the first name of the astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus was the Polish astronomer, and period of the Copernicus was the 1473 to 1543, and he had also given a theory and the first time the earth rotates on the axis and any planets also moves on the axis and also revolve around the sun. This type of the theory given by the astronomer, Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus. Therefore, it is also known as the just like a father of the astronomer. But type of the movement means rotation. You have also learned okay, earth rotate on the axis from the west to east direction. Therefore, so many effects due to the rotation also create on the earth and affected all living things and non-living things, and duration periods of the day and night also dependent on the rotation of the earth. So, rotation is the main themes also given by the astronomers. You know, the earth also rotates on the axis, but spin just like a top, these types of the movement. And the earth also tilted from the perpendicular 23.5 degree. It is also known as the incline. Earth also inclined. Suppose that this is the earth, but on the axis, axis is the just inclined from the perpendicular, it is also perpendicular, but this pole, it is also north pole, and here is south pole. So, tilted from the perpendicular here, this directions, so this tiltness of the earth, variation of the day and night also created. So, a rotation just spin on the north pole and the south pole, and 23.5 degree in the north and 23.5 degree in the south, two types of the poles. Between the two types of the poles there is equator, but 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. That means position of the sun moves from the equator until the Tropic of Cancer and until in the south Tropic of Capricorn. So, this movement between the Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn seen and affected duration periods of the day and the night due to the rotation. One rotation of the earth, one rotation of the earth is called a mean solar day. It is also known as the mean solar day. Any one rotation of the earth on the axis known as the mean solar day. Mean solar day. It is also known as the mean solar day, means Choda day, any one day and one night. So, we will also learn when you take the smooth ride on the train or the plane, then you have also marked earth, that means you have also feel no any movement of the earth, plane or the train. But when you will also see through the windows from the train or the buses or the planes, then you will also mark in the side portions. Earth also shifted from the one place to another place. That means back, fastly go back of the earth from you. But this is also not accurate, because you are also moving with the train, buses, cars or the planes. So, earth also moves on the axis, fast movement, speed very fast. So, any persons or the living things not feel you are also moves, sun, day and night also shifted from each other, because you are also in the motion with the earth. So, now effect. What are the effect from the, there are two types of the effect due to the rotation, day and the night. I have also made a image in this figure. So, it is also the line of the meridian who joined with the north pole to south pole, but inclined from the perpendicular 23.5 degree, but it is also form a central position of the earth when reach of the ray of the sun faces on the earth, which parts of the earth, then that portion is known as the day. But a darkness or the opposite parts where light or the ray of the sun cannot be possible reaches, then that portion of the earth known as the night. So between the day and night, which circle also fall in the center, that circle known as the circle of illumination. It is known as the circle of illumination. Now, now we will also learn, then that means due to the rotation, day and night also create. Now, revolution. Here, revolution means change of the season due to the revolution. When the sun, the earth rotate on the axis but revolve towards the sun, then variation of the duration periods of the day and night will be very fluctuate, or the length of the day and night also varies. So, due to the variation of the length of the day and night, suns and the earth, day and night periods, also duration periods, then create the season, change of the season. And there are, you will also learn in this class about the 4 types of the season mainly occur in our country. Summer season, winter season, then rainy season and autumn season. But some scholars also divided into 6 parts of the season. A spring season also added, and the Hemanta season also added with this type of the season. But we will learn about the revolutions. You know, firstly, you will also learn about the leap year. When the earth moves on the axis but revolve towards the sun, then the earth complete one revolution around the sun in the 365 days and days, 6 hours, 6 hours, yes. So, one revolution is complete by the earth in the 365 days and approximately 6 hours. But you have also calculate and given in the calendar only is 365 days and 6 hours approximately and 56 minutes also you have also left. Then these 6 hours completed every years added with the years, and after 4 years, after 4 years, these 6 hours multiply with the 4 hours, then therefore it is also completed, known as the 24 hours. And you know, it 24 hours is the one day and the one night. So, after every 4 years added with the 365 days and plus 1 day is equal to 366 days. A 360 days after 4 years will be, therefore is also known as the leap year. But 1 day is added with the month of February, and 29 days of the February after every 4 years will be also created. So, or the fourth. So, it is also known as the leap year. If your birth also, yani that means your birthday is the 29th February, then you will also celebrate a birthday after the 4 years. And which years also divided by 4, then you can also say that years will be leap year. Now, day and night, according to the rotation and the revolutions, also create the that means a season, change of the seasons. So here season also changed by the revolution of the earth around the sun. Now, you will learn about the tides. What is the tides? Tides means water level from the sea or the oceans. When a accumulate force or gravitational pull of the sun and the moon attract water bodies towards it, then water level get high position, and that is also known as the high tides. Tides, where there were two types. Yeah, there are two types of the tides. One is the spring tides. Spring tide, and another is the low tides. Low tides. Spring tides is also known as the high tides. High tides. So, when the position of the sun and the moon, position of the sun and the moon. Suppose that here is the position of the sun, and here is the position of the moon, and here is also earth. Earth, here is moon. Then attraction power of the moon and the sun completed, that means both gravitational pull affected on the water bodies of the earth. So, get a spring height or the very high height of the sea level. Any water level also goes very high. Suppose that it is the water level, but it is also go height from the sea. So, it is also known as the high tides. Tide. But when the position of the sun here, and here is also earth, then here go the moon. Here is also moon. Then power or the attractional gravitational pull divided amongst the sun and the moon. So, power when the divided, then here is also attract water bodies towards, खींच रहा है अपनी ओर, and this position water level and divided also water towards its, then divided of the power, then get very low height of the water level from the sea. So, it is also position will be here, these types of the, from the sea level. It is also known as the low tides. But every day create or the form, there are two types of the height of the or the tides. When the water level go up from the sea level, then that position also empty. and from the surrounding areas, when water accumulate and pressurized toward the center, then opposite, that means after the sometime 6 or the 7 hours or the 1 to 3 hours also maybe, that water level also after the falling, then again uprise. So these types of the tides very low. So at the day, every day create the low tides and the high tides twice a day. एक दिन में 2 बार, twice the day. But spring tides or the high tides also create in the new moon days and the full moon days. That means Purnima and the Amavasya. But every month of the quarter days, that means 7th or the 8th days after the new moon or the new moon, then create the low tides. So tides also affected to the motion of the water on the surface, sea currents and sea waves, etc. and warm ocean current and cooled ocean current also created due to these types of the position of the tides, and coastal area also affected due to the tides. Now, you will also learn about the perihelions and the aphelions. Perihelions, when the position of the sun nearest the sun, when the position of the sun at the earth nearest the sun, अगर अर्थ का पोजीशन सबसे नज़दीक हो सन का, जैसे हम सपोज दैट हियर इज अर्थ एंड नियरेस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ द सन, सूर्य का नज़दीक सबसे होना, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द पेरीहिलियंस. देयरफॉर आई हैव आल्सो मेंशन्ड क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन, यानी पोजीशन ऑफ द अर्थ क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन, दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द पेरीहिलियंस. व्हेन the position of the earth farthest to the sun, सूर्य से बहुत दूरी पर अगर अर्थ का पोजीशन होगा, then that is also known as the aphelion. Next, you will also learn about the changing surface temperature. You know, earth divided into two parts, solid and the liquid form. That means a large area or the continental portion coverage by the hardness solid portions, but another sea, oceans, lakes, springs, etc. is also known as the water bodies. So, earth position heated during the periods of the day quickly, very fast, but in the oceanic periods or the sea areas, very slowly also heated that area. So, variation of the temperature due to the position of the earth and the position of the water body. So, varies of the temperature and the changing of the surface temperature due to the relief features, slanty of the ray, verticals of the ray of the sun, etc. And you will also learn solstice. There are two types of the solstice, that means position of the sun and northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. When the position of the sun goes the northern hemisphere, then started the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere will be the winter solstice. But when the position of the sun goes in the southern portion, southern hemisphere, then in the southern hemisphere started the summer solstice, and in the northern hemisphere started the winter solstice. When winter solstice seen 21st March, topmost position in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere 1st September approximately. But equinox, when the position of the sun between the North Pole and the South Pole and just in the center, then that is also called the equinox. So, any types of the problem we will also discuss in the next class also. Thank you.